More breaking news now, this time in the Aaron Hernandez murder investigation.
The former Patriot returned to Attleboro District Court this afternoon for a pair of hearings regarding his criminal case. The first, a probable cause hearing to determine whether there's sufficient grounds for a trial, was delayed until next month against the wishes of Hernandez's attorneys.
The second regarded the request of Eyewitness News and other media organizations to unseal several documents related to the investigation into the killing of Odin Lloyd in North Attleboro last month. The judge agreed to release those never-before-seen documents tomorrow afternoon, including the arrest warrants of Aaron Hernandez and co-defendant Ernest Wallace, who's charged with being an accessory to murder after the fact.
And also this afternoon, Patriots coach Bill Belichick faced reporters for the first time since Hernandez's arrest and spoke at surprising length about the case and its impact on the Patriots moving forward.
Sports director Eric Murphy is standing by live at Gillette Stadium with more on today's news conference.
Our in-depth coverage begins in Attleboro with Eyewitness News reporter Sean Daly.
Susan and Mike, nearly a month after Aaron Hernandez was charged with first-degree murder and cut loose by the New England Patriots, he was back here in Attleboro in the same courtroom for a hearing that never happened. Wearing a dark suit with a white shirt and no tie, Aaron Hernandez walked into a courthouse in Attleboro in handcuffs this afternoon for the latest in what promise to be countless court hearings as prosecutors try to make their case that the former star football player is now a killer. He's accused of first-degree murder in the shooting death of a friend and fellow football player, 27-year-old Odin Lloyd of Boston.
They should be ready today.
In the courtroom during what was scheduled to be a hearing where prosecutors would have argued they have probable cause to hold Hernandez until his trial, a judge granted the prosecution's request for a delay until late August. Defense lawyers were furious.
The probable cause hearing is intended to give an opportunity to the defendant to test the allegations of the Commonwealth, to show through witnesses that they have evidence that they claim they have. And we're confident that when that opportunity finally comes, Aaron is going to be exonerated.
But Bristol County District Attorney Sam Sutter called the delay routine, and he explained why prosecutors prefer presenting their evidence to a grand jury, which they're still in the process of doing.
It's not to our advantage for there to be a probable cause hearing. So,
and why is that?
Well, that's because the case continues to be built, and to expose witnesses at a premature juncture to cross-examination is not in the interests of the prosecution.
District Attorney Sutter, himself a veteran prosecutor, also spoke with Odin Lloyd's family, and he'll tell us how that went new at 6. Live in Attleboro with the Southeastern Massachusetts Mobile Newsroom, Sean Daly, Eyewitness News.